What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Monday morning here. Taking a look at the NASDAQ. Had such a strong week last week here in the markets. Kind of what I was saying, what I expected. Now that we closed strong up here into strength, into these kind of resistance areas, open of these candles here. You got the open here. So definitely an area to watch that we rejected. Going sideways now, which is to be expected. We sprinted, now we're just chilling, going sideways, consolidating, building energy for probably that next move higher, looking for the highs. We have in ES, we're at all-time highs here, going sideways. And then in YM as well, we're also at all-time highs here. So I'd expect NASDAQ to catch up to that, kind of break out. We're already above this trend line here, this drop. So look for that push higher here. It's just a matter of time. So with all that said, today we're just kind of chopping around, hourly candle, wick below, wick above, pushing through that now. New hourly here in about 5 minutes or so. Yeah, don't see anything crazy here. Maybe we'll get some sort of close, strong scoop, and then look for that retest for that push higher, break this 900 level from this morning. But probably gonna wait here until that top of the hour. And yeah, let's wait, let's watch. See you guys on the first trade.
Order filled.
All right, tagged in short here. We're gonna try this on the short side. Don't love the price action here this morning, going to be honest there. But gonna see, we are on this level here. I'm looking for this to reject. Kind of in this pennant, going sideways here. Want to see if we can make our way lower, probably target this gap right here. Is kind of the idea that I'm looking at. So we'll see if feels like an area they want to try and hold this here, but I just don't think it's gonna hold. New 15-minute candle is going to open here as well. Yeah, I think we melt through this here. I think the hourly continues and gets towards these open, close, these levels here. So I'm watching for that, looking for that melt through this hourly. 30-minute as well. So let's see here, new 15-minute candle in about 10 seconds. And I'm hoping on that 15-minute candle we get the move. Open, maybe go green a little bit, and then get rejected and look to wick the previous 15-minute candle here. So interesting spot. It's right in between those moving averages. It opened on it. You know, it feels like the type of area people want to try and buy this for that pushback higher, but I think they're going to be caught up here looking for that long, that break. I don't want to be a part of that. We even have that 5-minute 1, 2, 3 previous candle made new low. There's definitely some long signals here. I'm just not feeling it. I think people are going to get trapped in that, and we're taking the opposite position here. Like I've seen this story before. Let's see, it could be wrong here, but so far making that new low. If you're long, you don't want to see that. There you go, there's some price action, some movement down here. See towards 800. That's probably going to be a level to watch. See if we can get that break. And yeah, really just looking for 781 on this, looking for 40 points. We're risking 25, so almost 2 to 1 on that. Let's see if we can get the move. They're trying to reclaim this here. Let's wait and let's see. I'm gonna give it 300 on this. I'm gonna get it over this high. I don't want to just stop out arbitrarily because of my 250. I do want to respect that, but I do want to put it over these these two highs right here. I'd hate to get stop out when I think the short could still work. We'll see. I mean, they're pushing back into this. We'll see if they want to rip higher, or are they going to reject? Are we going to make our way back down here? They did end up holding this level pretty decently so far, holding the 9 here. So just kind of grinding higher here, back and forth, buyers and sellers fighting. So let's see if sellers can push it back down here, or if buyers are going to hold this and we're going to get stopped out. Thesis was invalid. Let us see.
Order filled.
Hello. I look to my left and we're just frozen straight down and Top Step's not updating. Well, something just happened. Wow, that's crazy. Look at this 15-second chart right here. We just blinked. Oh my god. Well, that's a buy right there. Look at that. Right into the trend line, right into the bottom. I wonder what that was. That was super weird. Well, the thesis did play out. We just blinked like... That's crazy. If I switch this... Can I switch this? This is my left monitor. So I have NQ usually a 5, a 50, and then on my right monitor a 30 and an hourly. So I'm always watching this. Yeah, I saw this on NQ. It was just frozen like that, and this chart was not moving. I'm like, wait a second. Yeah, that was nuts. But yeah, good trade. Up 396.40 on that. Unfortunately, no slippage to the upside there. No increased P&L off that. But yeah, $400 trade, commissions makes it 396. Basically just push back down into the bottom of the range there. Kind of what I was expecting. That was kind of the best way I could try and trade this trend. Find a short near top bounce and just look for a play back into lower. Went a little bit farther than I expected. We did get that instant bounce. I don't see any instant news or anything. I'm not sure what that was. I'm sure it'll come out here in a bit, but yeah, that's the trade today. Hope you guys traded well. Up $400, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.